Welcome to TrackMyRisks, the compliant golden thread solution for your higher risk buildings. Say goodbye to messy folders, email attachments, and multiple versions of the same file. From maintenance records and inspection certificates to policies, risk assessments, and regulatory evidence, TrackMyRisks brings everything together into one simple, structured golden thread, as required by the Building Safety Act. TrackMyRisks replaces chaos with a single source of truth, where every document is easy to find, manage, and share. Every activity is recorded and evidenced. And it's built to scale. Whether you're managing your own higher risk buildings or hundreds on behalf of clients, TrackMyRisks standardizes your approach, streamlines workflows, and guarantees compliance. This isn't just document storage, it's governance in action, providing assurance, transparency, and defensibility for your compliance program. With TrackMyRisks on your side, you can collaborate securely, manage compliance, and remain regulator-ready at all times. TrackMyRisks can be used as a standalone golden thread solution or fully integrated with the Building Safety Register app for complete safety case management. Generate your safety case report, attach evidence directly from your TrackMyRisks golden thread, and export a complete regulator-ready report, all within one integrated platform. Together, TrackMyRisks and the Building Safety Register give you control, confidence, and compliance at every stage of the safety case process. TrackMyRisks, saving lives and careers. Visit our website to book a demo and speak to our team.